Hello guys, welcome to the 16th and also the last video of the short HTML5 video tutorial series for absolute beginners. So this is a video I'm very excited about because it gives me the chance to congratulate you on completing the whole of this video course. And I would like to say that the knowledge that you might have gained from these videos should be put into good use. Don't just watch these videos and then keep the knowledge. Use it to build little things, and that is how I believe that you can grow. And I also want to add that the knowledge that you might have gained from these videos should be like a stepping stone to learning more about web development. Now, talking about web development, I am going to include links to some very wonderful materials, and when I say materials, I'm talking about some books that have helped me a lot when I tried venturing into web development. And some of these materials I even still use a lot because the content in some of these books is still relevant till today. So if you are interested in these materials, you can check the description section below for them. Again, I am also going to say that if you have any comment about this video or any of my videos, you can leave them in the comment section below. Or if maybe you would like me to make a video concerning another language or any other thing, you can leave that in the comment section below. And I'll end by saying that if you have not subscribed to the channel already, please do try and subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I upload the next video. And I also want to plead that you should like and also share my videos so that others too can benefit. Until the next video, I think it's going to be bye for now.